In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from Zoho Mail. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple process of composing and sending an email using this platform. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to open up your Zoho Mail account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is typically your inbox. From here, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New Mail. Go ahead and click on that button to start composing your email. Now that you have the email composition window open, you'll notice several fields you need to fill in. At the very top, there's the recipient field, marked by a To label. Here, you'll enter the email address of the person you wish to send your message to. If you're sending this email to multiple people, you can add additional email addresses separated by commas. Next, look further down the window where you'll find a larger area to type in your message. This is known as the body of the email. Click inside this area and begin typing your message. Feel free to include all the details and information you need to convey, and take advantage of the text formatting tools available to enhance readability and emphasis where needed. Once you're satisfied with your email, it's time to send it off. At the top of the email composition window, you'll see a Send button. Clicking this will instantly send your email to the recipient's inbox. However, if you'd like to schedule your email to be sent at a later time, Zoho Mail offers a convenient Send Later option. Simply click on this option and you can select the date and time you want your email to be dispatched. This is particularly useful for ensuring your email reaches the recipient at the most appropriate time. And there you have it, a straightforward process for sending an email using Zoho Mail. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore the platform further and utilize its various features to enhance your email communication. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!